Hey, my name's Adam Huxama, and I spent 12 years as the executive director of an SBA Microlender and CDFI. We made over 1,500 small business loans during my time as executive director there. And now I am kind of on the other side of the table, and I own a company called Projection Hub, where we help people create financial projections and business plans to help prepare you to apply for an SBA microloan or a loan from a CDFI. And if you are a startup or a very small business, I think SBA Microlenders and CDFIs are an excellent loan option. A lot of times the big banks just don't lend to startups or early stage businesses or very small businesses. And so CDFIs and SBA microlenders are just an excellent option. And so I kind of found some frustration with trying to refer my clients to a CDFI or an SBA microlender in their area. And so I wanted to create a little tool that just made that process a little bit easier to kind of sort and filter and find the best lender options for you. So I'm going to show you how this tool works. There is a link in the description of the video below, so you can grab this tool, play around with it. It's free, and just find a good option for your situation. So let me show you how it works. The first thing you can do is select by state. So I wanted to say, show me lenders, and these are SBA microlenders and CDFIs that serve the state of California. So we've got a big list, in the state of California. Now, if I wanted to further filter and say, well, I'm going to be looking for a loan for less than 50,000. So let's look at businesses or lenders that would serve less than 50,000 or greater than 50,000. So for example, SBA microlenders, the cap on an SBA microloan is currently 50,000. And so if you said, well, I really need more than 50, then you could kind of rule out the SBA microlenders are probably not going to be able to help you. And so you can kind of now see these, when you see loan type business, these are probably CDFIs. Now, sometimes there is overlap where the same organization is a CDFI and an SBA microlender. If I wanted to just show me SBA microlenders in the state of California, I can see those options here. So I can also just kind of click on a map. Let's just try Arizona. Let's see what that looks like here. So, California had a lot of options. For example, Arizona has fewer SBA microlenders. Again, if I want to also include CDFIs, we can see more options here. There are some national CDFIs or regional CDFIs that can service, that same CDFI can service many, many states. And so you may notice that as well. If you need any help finding a good option for an SBA microloan or a CDFI loan, these are typically going to be loans $350,000 or less, generally speaking. So yeah, if you need help, feel free to reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com. Or again, if you need any help with your projections or business plan, that's what we do here. So we'd love to help you with that process. You can, again, go down to the link in the description of the video below, use this tool. And while you're down there, we'd be happy if you gave a like to the video and subscribe to our channel, as we're trying to reach more folks and share more about SBA microloans, starting a business, and how to get funding for that. All right, thanks.